PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to donate money on PayPal. So once PayPal is opened up, I want you to go to the top left and press on the three horizontal lines. Then on this page, just scroll down to where it says donate and then press on donate. On this page right here, you can go ahead and do a variety of different options here. So you can search causes at the top here. You can go ahead and search a cause that you maybe want to donate money to. You can start a fundraiser of your own if you want. You can set a favorite charity. You can also scroll and see different ways you can sort of give. You can scroll down and see different relief. So in this case, there's the hurricane relief, care. There's a bunch of different options right here. You can browse different things. So for example, if you wanted to donate to a pet shelter, you can press an animals right here. Maybe you want to press a pet shelter. I'll go ahead and do the Tiny Paws Rabbit Rescue as an example. You can go ahead, see some information about this. You can go to the bottom, press on donate, and then proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to donate money to something of your choosing here on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.